What's going on, everybody? Julian here, J.LEWIS Trading, with a 1-minute video lesson on a multiple time frame analysis. This is very, very important for day trading and swing trading, and the premise is this. When you're looking at a stock that you want to trade, whether it be long or short, the importance is following the trend on a multi-time frame basis. So you'll see here that I've got the daily, the hourly, the 15 and the 5-minute chart set up. And because price action here on the daily is below the 200-day simple moving average, the primary trend on a longer term basis is bearish. So what I want to do is I want to try and pinpoint the best times and location of a potential short trade. You can see over here on the hourly, the 15 and the 5, price action is depressed in the sense that it's being held down lower by that 200-day simple moving average. So for me as a primary short trader, when I'm looking at a multiple time frame analysis and all of the price action patterns that I'm looking at are below the 200, I'm actually looking for short-term relief rallies to then get short and get into a position when price action rolls over and those relief rallies subside. Price action will engage its primary trend, which based on this daily time frame analysis states that it's short. So everything that I want to do on all 4 of these time frames is short, so I'm going to be shorting every single rally, and that is the importance of a multiple time frame analysis. If the time frame analysis is mixed, you're going to want to wait till everything is trending in the same direction. In this case, on PACB, I am short, and everything that I want to do is based on shorting rallies.